Jinn means something hidden. Literal meaning of jinn is something hidden. So if a person says, I've seen jinn, then that means jinn was not hidden. And if the jinn was not hidden, then that means that wasn't a jinn. So how can he say, I've seen a jinn? So therefore, when people claim that I've seen a jinn, they may be lying, or maybe they have seen a jinn in another form. To seeing a jinn in another form is possible, but seeing a jinn in its original form is not possible in ordinary way of seeing, unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives that special sight to any of His beloved friends and they see it, then that's a different story. But not every Tom, Dick and Harry can come and say that I'm seeing jinns. And sometimes to impress people and to make money out of them, some people do make this kind of claims. So according to the definition of jinn, jinn is not visible. See, jinn, the root word in jinn is jeen and noon. Actually, there's a double noon, janna yajunnu. That's why there's a shadda. Jinn. So there's a double noon. So 3 letters. In fact, every word in Arabic must have 3 letters as a root letters. So jim, noon, noon. Because it means something hidden. So any word that is derived from this root word will have that meaning of being hidden. So a child that is hidden in the stomach of the mother is called jineen, from the same root word, jinn. Now when madness covers your intelligence, it is called junoon. There is a junoon, and from junoon is majnoo. Junoon means madness and majnoo means madman. Okay, so because something is covered here, and what is covered here? The intellect, the intelligence is covered. That's why it's called junoon. And jannat is from the same root word. And jannat is called jannat because there are so many trees in the jannat that they cover the ground of the jannat. So wherever you will find this root word, you will find that similar meaning. So jinn is not visible. That is the literal understanding of jinn. But in the definition of Sharia, jinn is huwa jismun nariyun yatashakkalu bi ashkalim mukhtalifatin yudhakkaru wa yu'annathu. That is the definition of jinn. Jinn is a body of fire. They have different shapes. Yudhakkaru wa yu'annathu, they are masculine and they are feminine.